Aqui é para designer, but it's fashion outfit. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Okay, I am super excited today because I'm working with the brand, as you can see from the title, Fashion Nova, which I literally have been obsessed with this brand for years, and they are huge. They have 16 million followers on Instagram. It's a huge clothing line that is affordable and super comfortable and super cute, which is why they have such a huge following, because not only now do they have women, but they also have men. So unfortunately, I'm not going to try on men clothes for you guys, but the men watching out there, you guys check out their website. If you're into style, if you're into fashion, or if you're looking for new clothes, seriously, these clothes are such good quality, such amazing prices, and super cute, fashionable, stylish. And they also have like couples goals too, like couples where you can match outfits from the men and the women, which is really cute. So without me blabbing on forever like I usually do, let's get into this try on haul because I have some really cute outfits I'm super excited to show you guys. The first one here, I was debating doing this actual try on haul like for you guys. I was just gonna hold up the clothes because, as you know, I just had surgery and I do have one more sticker incision on my stomach, but I was like, you know what, whatever, you guys have already seen it. So the first one here is this cute summer dress. It has a nice little opening here with the tie. The material is super comfortable, light, so it's perfect for what or anywhere. So it's pretty short, like right halfway through my thighs, and you know, shows the gains. But I think it's so cute because I like how the sleeves here are like halfway, so it's not full shoulder, and I think that showing the shoulders is actually a sexy thing. So this is number one. I love it. I already give it a 10. OMG. So I got these two. They're separate, but I paired it together as an outfit. So first of all, Fashion Nova jeans are the best jeans ever because right now my muscles, of course, I haven't worked out and I have 6 weeks off, so my muscles are a little shrunken right now, but still they fit the legs, the booty, and the waist just perfect. So the reason why these jeans are the best is because people who have also thick thighs get them past here and then they fit your waist, and then they always make the booty look good. And then this little cute top, it has 2 strings here, so you don't even have to wear a bra, and you can do as tight as you want. But look how cute. I think this is freaking darling. I would wear this even with some heels, my little bag. Okay. And then we got this cute get up. You guys know I love these little get ups. But how cute is this little, I thought this would be good to have just to like run to the store or a couple errands. They're the little jogger pants, but they're super stretchy and comfortable. Of course. And then the little top to match it is a little bandeau. So I think this I would give a 10 as well because it's just super simple, which you know I like. Clean looking. You can even pair this with like heels and like a little bag and make it even more like fashionable. But yes, I love it. OMG. This is one of my favorites. You guys, Denim Dress, how cute. Okay, I already have an outfit plan for this. So first of all, it's very stretchy. It's not like tight denim. And then it has the buttons that goes down here, so you can undo one if you're breastises are a little bit larger than mine. And I will leave all of the names, everything I got, so you know where you can find it, and the size I got, so you know. But this is so cute. I already know I'm gonna wear this with like a bandana and my hair up and probably some sneakers, and oh my god. So you guys get ready for all of the IG photos. So you better be following me on Instagram. But in the back, total bando, so cute. This is like perfect. I give it a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Can we just say spicy mommy hot tamale? This is probably my favorite dress that I have seen or put on in a long time. I think I'm wearing this for my birthday. Look at how cute. And once I am back in the weights, and this is more plump, look at the back. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So cute. This is seriously so comfortable. And I love this, that it has like these two cute designs right here, some breathing room. But oh my god, you guys, this is my favorite dress I think out of everything so far. Like now that I tried it on and saw how it looks, I could buy designer, but it's fashion over fit. I am future. You heard? Okay. So you can obviously wear this as a t-shirt dress if you get like a bigger size, but I kind of got a size to where I'll wear this with like some biker shorts. But I just wanted to show you that it is, I'll put the size that I got down below, that if you are shorter than me, you could possibly wear this as a t-shirt dress without even anything, and like some cute heels or shoes. But it's so cute. Love, love, love this print. And so it just covers in the back. But you can do so much with this. Like you can leave it down, you can tie it up in a knot. Just know that I'm future. I had to get these because, you guys, fuck off. Now usually I don't say that, but some days I be thinking it when I'm out in public or around certain people. So I just thought these biker shorts were so cute, and they're super like actually squat proof, and they're not even like see-through, but I wouldn't wear them to the gym, even though that would be the perfect place to wear these to the gym because of what it says. But I would definitely wear this with like a sweater and like some cute sneakers, or you can even dress it up with heels and like a crop top. But the back, what do you guys think? I think these are just perfect for a rainy day or any day. Getting more and more obsessed with every piece. I got one more. Of course, I was saving the best for the last, even though it's gonna, you'll see. So this is also for your hair, but right now I just don't want to mess up my hair because I did actually straighten it a little bit today. But this goes in your hair. You could style it however you want, bun, band, or headband. You could do so many different things with this for your hair. But it's a loose, like super soft tie-dye crop top, and it's like tight on the arms. And these shorts, they're so cute. They're like small little stinkies, but oh my god, I seriously love this outfit. I think this is, like I said, another one of my favorites. It's really hard to choose a favorite with this brand because everything is so cute. But another one in the books. Okay, last but not least is the one that I was considering if I was going to show or not, because you could see the tape is still on for my incision, but I was like, I don't care. It's life, and it'll be off soon. So this is the cutest bikini I think by far I have seen. It has super cute print design, these floral. It's like perfect for Hawaii. and then it scrunches here at the front and ties the sides, so you can do low or you could do high. And then of course the back, I'm not supposed to show the full back, but we're gonna do a little spin. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. So it's scrunchy in the front and in the back, and I think this is by far my favorite. I don't know. So now that this huge fashion haul from Fashion Nova sadly is over, I could keep trying on their clothes all day. I will leave everything in the description, like I said, with my sizes, with what I got, the name, so that when you go on fashionnova.com you can just search it and it'll pop right up. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch this long tutorial of some new summer, winter, whatever clothes. And like I said, men, go to their website too, because they have some fire ass clothes for men. All right, I love y'all and I'll see y'all soon.